Okay, number 4, find the sum of this particular series. It's a finite series, by the way, but my suspicion is it's going to be something I have to think through. So let's go to the whiteboard. I'll write the series down for you. And the series is, let's write this down. This is number 4, right? What's the series going to be? It's 1 times 1 factorial. And then it's going to be 2 times 2 factorial. And then it's going to be 3 times 3 factorial. I definitely see a pattern to it. You know, the question is, can I figure it out? And it's going to be n, and then n factorial. And I got to start thinking about, do I recognize something over here? And one thing I could do is I could write it down, and I'm going to start to increase the terms, each term by 1, all right? So it's going to be 2 times 1 factorial plus, well, now what I'm going to do 3 times 2 factorial, and then I'm going to do 4 times 3 factorial plus yada, yada, yada. Well, the last one I'm also going to increase by 1, and that's going to be n plus 1 times n factorial. But what I got to do when I increase them by 1, I got to take that away, by the way. So it's going to be, 1 factorial minus 2 factorial minus 3 factorial, and then, last but not least, which I shouldn't put a plus sign there. Let me go backwards. Minus yada, 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 minus n factorial. All right, let's keep looking at it. And what I notice over here is that if I were to look at this thing, term-wise, the first line is just 2 factorial. The second is 3 factorial. Then it's 4 factorial plus yada, 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 up to, that's going to be n plus 1 factorial, right? Now, if I look at the second line, what do I get? I get, minus 1 factorial, minus 2 factorial, minus 3 factorial, minus yada, 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 up to n factorial. But what I know about this, I know some cancellations right away. So I notice that this cancels that, although not written over, that would be 4 factorial would cancel s. And although not written, this is minus n factorial, that would cancel that. And everything just disappears, except, what am I left off? N plus 1 factorial, that comes from over here, and then minus 1 factorial, which is 1. And what do you get? That's my answer. I just found the sum. Thank you.